it's Kate with WTI, and this portable hammock from Baltoro is seriously one of my favorite things for the summer. It's so comfortable, so compact, and super portable. This portable hammock exceeded my expectations. I did not expect it to be so easy to put together. There's no assembly. It literally collapses and expands, and then you just hook the two sides of the hammock directly on the frame. It's that easy. It does have little pins you put in so that it stabilizes it. When you sit on this, it feels completely sturdy. I don't feel like I'm gonna fall through. I feel very safe. It also has little leg attachments to make it extra grippy. There's this really comfortable pillow that you can add on. It has a cup holder, and it also has a pocket on the side where you can put anything you want, like your book or your phone or sunscreen, all of that sort of thing. It comes in a bag, so you can take this to the beach or camping or throw it in the back of your car to spend a day absolutely anywhere. And then it also has a canopy. So if you're someone like my husband who burns easy, you're gonna love this feature. It has 4 poles, it attaches right here on the side, and then you have shelter from the sun or the rain or whatever. The hammock itself has a mesh base, so it's breathable. And the material feels good for outdoors, it's weatherproof. If you want to relax outside literally anywhere, be in comfort, and have it all go together in seconds and come down just as fast, I think you'll be blown away by this portable hammock like I was, and that's my point of view.